y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing lemonade braids on this cute young lady with all of this luscious long hair. So I've already washed and treated her hair, and now I'm blowing it out with my blow dryer and my comb attachment. I know some people don't like to use a comb attachment, but it just works best for me. Now you can see that I'm sectioning off the hair so that I can have my top part for the row that will be going front, and the back will start from the bottom. So just stay tuned and watch as I section off the hair. This is how I sectioned out the hair. I put them in loops, and I did kind of small sections of loops of hair, being that this is the hair that I will be feeding in when I first start braiding her natural hair. Loops for the bottom of the hair, I made them a little bit bigger, being that we'll be feeding it in at the bottom of the braids, and we want the bottom sides of the braid to have a nice size. Before I start braiding, I always use a gel or a pomade to help with the cleanliness of the look of the braids. It makes it parting easier, and it just gives it an overall nice shine and a professional look. So I always use a pomade. I think this one is Nairobi braid gel, and it just helps with the braiding, makes it more sleek and put together. So that's what I'm doing here. I'll leave a description in the comment box if you're interested in the product. So this is the midway look. Look how clean and how good the scalp looks. All right, girl, you're getting there. At this point, I think she's over me. But we must finish and the beauty must go on. So hang in there, little diva. This makes me feel so bad. But the beauty must go on. We're almost done. It's the faces for me. Like, I know she's like, please, lady, hurry up. I can't stand any longer. Okay, like, okay, breathe. Yes. Okay, you got it, girl. Hold on. Almost there. Beauty is pain. Wait. We had to take a praise break because baby girl needed a break. Hold up. So we finished finally. Baby girl made it through. She did a great job. The braids look great. She loves it. And we are done. These should last her about 3 weeks, 4 weeks if she ties her hair up and oils the scalp. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. Like and subscribe the video if you love the way the look came out.